Mr. Chronicles. 6:26 in the morning, and it is day 3:15. You can see it's cloudy out. Cloudy? Foggy. We're not on a mountain. It's foggy. When you're in a flatland, it's foggy. When you're on a mountain, it's cloudy. I think we've got a hurricane brewing, and I think it's supposed to hit Florida about the time that we do. But I'm not sure. Haven't checked the latest models yet, so maybe not. It doesn't matter to me because I'm still going. I mean, I don't know. I think hurricane would be nice in a way, hurricane threat, because it will thin the crowds out a bit. So that would be a little bit more enjoyable for me. I'm a little nervous about stuff because I got I've never went anywhere with just a carry-on before that was more than one night. Carry-ons are small, so I don't know how I'm gonna make this work. I could pay for a check bag. That is a 100% doable option. Or I could just buy a piece of luggage down there and fill it up full of stuff, and then pay for a check bag on the way back. That might be the smarter option. I don't know. Oh, school bus. Why is there a school bus at 6:28 in the morning? Like, really? What kid has to get up at 6:28 in the morning to be at school at 8 in the town that he lives in? That's crazy. I don't know. Rant over. So today we've got to, there's a lady that hasn't paid, which I'm not really sure why. She don't have a credit card on file, and I don't know why we kept doing it, but whatever. She hasn't paid, so I either got to pull her bait stations up or get her to pay. So I'm not really sure what's going on with that, but got to use some finesse, and I don't know, maybe we can work it out with her. I don't know. After yesterday's fiasco, I'm not 100% certain. Sharky's turning this thing down? I don't know. So anyway, I guess I should probably drive because it's foggy out. It's still foggy. But I'm going to try to get that done, and then maybe get some things handled at the office, and then G out early, because I got to get some things together. I got to get, like, I don't know if I'm going to need to go get mouthwash or what. I mean, I've got all this stuff, but now I'm going to put it in this tiny little bag, so I need to get travel size. So I kind of need to go to the store. Kind of need to wash dishes and clean, before I leave. So, because tomorrow, kids, once I'm at work, I won't be back home till Monday night. So that's why I got to get some things handled. So I'm going to do that this afternoon, I think. But yeah, so I'm going to drive now. Alright, well, 7:23. I am at work. We hat on. So we'll see what the day brings. Alright, so we had to come to Rock Hill, pick up a truck from our renter. Shift to park, driver door jar. Oh, there's this truck. This door. So anyway, I'm driving. Alright, well, it is 3:01. I'm heading down the road, mainly because I need to go get some stuff from the store, I think. Sadly, I think I gotta go home first to find out what I need to get. But I don't know. So, all right, now I'm situated. Got the company car that I'm gonna be driving home, I think. Next when we get back from Florida. Got it kind of washed. Inside is just disgusting, so maybe I'll work on that tomorrow. Had a guy that we had to let go, and we had to go get the truck in Rock Hill, and I think we're gonna let him go. I'm not real sure what the deal is, but so I had to go get that, so that took a minute. And then of course we get there, and they got like a dog chained up and a kitten in a cage with no water, and I was just like, I can't deal with this. I can't deal with this. So I gave her some water. I don't think the dog had any water either, but I mean, I don't know. We couldn't. She kept pulling off her lead, or like her collar off her head. So, man, I don't know. I don't know. I can't deal with people like that. So, anyway, I got a little video of them. That's why I hate people. I just don't like people. But anyway, so not a super interesting day. Had to go try to save an account, which I think it's savable. I don't know. Maybe tomorrow I'll get more into that. Dang, I was supposed to call her at 3 o'clock. I forgot. Okay, well, shoot. Totally forgot. Dang. All right, well, I gotta drive. All right, well, it's 4:28. I'm at home. Went by the bank, got $140 out in case I need to tip some baggage people and whatnot. I also went by, stopped by Walgreens, and I got some travel mouthwash because I'm kind of running low on mouthwash anyway, and I didn't want to take a giant, huge bottle. So, figure I'd take a little bitty bottle, because I looked at my check bag last night, and boy, is it tiny. I don't know how this is going to work. Even a little bit. It's sunny out. You see the clouders. Yeah, clouders. So, come on, bub. Let's go potty. But, yeah, so, kind of timed it about right. I think I got time to maybe pack and kind of sort, like, there we go. My thing is I pack, and then I unpack, and then I pack again, because I'm like a Pacquiao. I don't know what I want to take. Because, like, how do you know what you want to wear for a week? You know, and you don't really know what the weather's going to be like. I know there's going to be a hurricane, so should I take an umbrella? Should I take a poncho? Should I just take a poncho and buy an umbrella? I don't know. Because when you got limited space, you know, you don't need to be taking an umbrella if you just buy one. If you get in a dire situation, I guess you can buy one. And Lord heaven, me have a Walt Disney World umbrella, because that'd be dumb. Why would I have that? So, you're not pottying, bud. So, I'm going to get on that. I guess Corinne's getting a haircut today, so I don't know. But I think she said she was going to take me to work tomorrow, so we'll see how that plays out. But she's going to have to get up early, because she's got to work tomorrow too, so I don't know. But, yeah, so it's weird because tomorrow I'm flying to Orlando. Normally I'm like super excited because that means I'm going to the resort and I can get that Disney Magic like right then. But I'm not really going to get any Disney Magic until like Friday, maybe, or Saturday. So it's kind of a, I think it depends on how the meeting goes tomorrow. No, Thursday. Whether or not we get to go to park on Friday. So, I mean, I'm a pass holder. I can go whenever the hell I want. I just hop in the Uber and go. And I might be doing that. Because, I don't know. I just might. So, we'll see. But, yeah, so it's going to be really strange. Because this is the first time I've really went to Disney World like without a friend or family or wife or anything else. So I'm not sure what to expect. Is it going to be good? I mean, it's going to be better than going to that place I got to go. So yeah, it'd be better than that. But I don't know. Oh, and I left at 3 something, and traffic was just as bad at 3 o'clock as it is at 5 o'clock. Like, I don't know. There is no sweet spot to it for sure. And I was like, I cleaned up that car that I'm supposed to be taking, and man, that thing's a little rough. It's got like a low tire. It's got all kinds of warning lights on. Like, I don't know how that thing is supposed to just. It seems like lots of travel is going to be a problem for that thing. So I don't know. I mean, I guess there's an event that she might not want to take me tomorrow, and in which case I'm just driving the van. So I'll drive the van back. So I don't know. I just don't know how this is going to go at all. But it's an adventure, right? I mean, it's better than, oh, here's some traffic, here's some rain, here's some ants, here's some beeping moisture detectors. So, you know, I don't know. So hopefully it'll be all right. If nothing else, I'll learn something from it, and I'm curious as to, you know, what Christmas decorations are going to be up, like at the resort, if any. And that's another thing too. Like, I think the room check-in is at 4, check-out's like at 10, but of course I got to leave earlier than that because of the plane. So I guess I'm not sure if I'll like leave first thing in the morning Sunday, go to the resort, say, hey, please hold my bags till my room's ready, and then G out to the park. Or I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. So I guess we'll have to see. I guess it depends on what Friday and Saturday are like. So, but anywho's, I'm gonna feed the old doggo. Comes all black attack. Come on, baby. And then start this packing adventure. What's Chad gonna wear? You'll see, but you won't know till later. All right, so it's about 6:05 at the moment. Washed all the dishes, cleaned the stove, cleaned the counters, swept and wet mopped the kitchen, swept and wet mopped the bathroom, vacuumed the den halfway, just because there's toys everywhere and stuff everywhere, I can't really do it, and started packing. So here's what I've run into. This bag is tiny. Like, how am I going to be gone for 5 days and I have this tiny little bag? I don't understand. So I'm really rethinking what I got to wear. So I've got 1 pair of jeans, 2 counting the ones I'm wearing down there. I'm wearing 1 button-up shirt. I got a couple t-shirts. Got 5 or 6 pair of underwear, a bathing suit, 5 or 6 pair of socks. And it's full. So if I need a coat, if I need a poncho, I'm going to have to put my man bag, sounds like something dirty, like, you know, with teeth brush and stuff and shaver and stuff like that. I got to put that in my book bag, my carry-on, if you will, or my personal item. All my masks have to be a personal item. Only taking 3 magic bands because, again, I don't know what I'm wearing. And so maybe I'll throw a tie in there, but I don't. See, we're doing this meeting thing, so can I just wear a t-shirt for the meeting? I don't know. Maybe I can. I don't know. Yeah. So should I wear 2 button-up shirts? Should I take 2 button-up shirts in case? My white one looks pretty gross, but I could wear that tomorrow. I don't know, man. It's just crazy. And I don't know what shoes to wear. It's like I plan on wearing my creepers at the parks and stuff because they worked pretty good last time. But that means I gotta wear them on the plane because they won't fit in my thing. So this is tough. This is tough. So I think I'm just gonna roll with it and just hope I got enough clothes. But I don't have anything warm. unless I wear a coat tomorrow with that thing. I guess I could wear a coat with my shirt, my pants, my shoes, and maybe okay. Maybe? I don't know. Ugh. So, I got a lot done in a short amount of time, but I still don't know what I'm going to wear. And I'm not going to have any snacks, or which I guess I don't really need snacks. It's not a big deal. And my book bag's not huge, so I know I got to take my iPad, um, and of course my chargers and all that stuff too. So, and my sunglasses. So I'm trying to think of what I can put in that bag so that it's not like overloaded. I don't know. This is tough. This is a tough call. Okay, so we're taking a break. Still hadn't quite sorted this out. It's gonna be tough. I know I'm gonna forget something, not have something, but I think I'm just gonna roll with like my streetwear tomorrow and not try to do this whole like change at work crap, because I don't have a vehicle. It ain't like I can just go stick my stuff in the car. So I'm gonna roll in there t-shirt and jeans. I don't even care. So Corinne's on the way home now from her haircut. It's probably 6:30, maybe 7. Who knows what time it is? We don't know what time it is, kids. We just don't know. No one can know what time it is. It's impossible. So that being said, ooh, I haven't eaten supper, as you could hear. So I'm still in panic mode, kind of, because I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this. I don't know. We have to make it work. Okay, I'm gonna do my outros because what bites. For supper we had tricks. That's it. And a Tahitian treat. I burp on film. Pear fruit.
You are a fruit.
Oh.
Tricks and a Tahitian treat?
Oh yeah.
That's fruity. You're a fruit.
So, I don't know. I think it's packed-ish. I'm gonna take a shower and so I can pack my conditioner and my soap, and it's like, hey, bring a beach towel. It's like, I can't bring a beach towel, but anyway. So I'm gonna get this done so I can take a shower, and we'll see how it goes.